Hey guys, Gary here from myCRMSIM. So exciting news today. So as you know, we've been fully integrated and fully invested in HighLevel for quite some time. And today is a big step. So we are now making it so that myCRMSIM can be integrated with basically anything because we have now got our own Webhook API in here. So if you look in your account now, you'll see this new Workspace Webhooks option in here. If you click in here, you'll be able to add a workspace and create your own webhooks and then send out information via webhooks and connect to anything. We've had beta testers running this for the last couple of months, I think it is, utilizing it in all kinds of different platforms. So super cool way to get that set up in there. Now, we've got instructions for all of this in here in our support center. So the link to this will be somewhere, wherever you're watching this video, the link to the docs will be below. So this will guide you through on how to set all that up in here. But effectively, what you'll do, you'll create your workspace in here that will give you a webhook, and then in your sub accounts, if you're familiar with our system, it will basically just show your account that you've created in here or your webhook, and you'll just attach your device to it in here as normal. Okay, so it's pretty simple to set up. But as I say, go to the docs here. If you're not familiar with webhooks and stuff, then you need to know some kind of information on how that does work. But if you don't, get yourself your developer or whoever your development partners are. They should be able to help you get this set up. But go through here. There's great docs in here. We're going to add a little bit more to this as well because there's a few extra features that we will be adding to this over the next while. But go there, jump through that, set yourself up your webhooks, and let us know what you think in the comments below. Are you excited about this? All right. Thanks, guys.